Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by documenting facts you can prove. Date, time, exact location. Write it down now. Once done, identify everyone involved, including witnesses and badge or ID numbers. This creates accountability. Make sure to secure evidence immediately. Take photos with visible timestamps, note camera angles, and place physical items in a sealed bag. You must act quickly to prevent loss of integrity. Short, verifiable entries early on save hours of follow-up later, and protect you and the company. You now write the incident narrative in chronological order. Describe what happened step by step, including verbatim quotes when possible. Once you have the sequence, add actions taken by you and others, what you did, who you notified, and any restraint or de-escalation used. Make sure to use objective, factual language, avoid guessing motives. Also record injuries, property damage, and any medical aid provided, plus which cameras or logs you checked, to create a complete investigative baseline. You finish by reviewing the report for completeness, sign and timestamp it, and include your position and supervisor contact details. Then attach all supporting items, photos labeled by file name, log extracts, witness statements, and a chain of custody note for any physical evidence. Once submitted, keep originals secure and provide copies to authorized parties only. If a party disputes facts, preserve the original report and evidence and promptly request a supervisor review. This prevents alteration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.